How to turn on Storage Sense on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to enable automatic storage cleanup to keep your PC running efficiently. First, click on the Start button and go to Settings. From there, click on System. At this point, click on Storage. From there, look for the Storage Sense toggle at the top of the Storage Settings page. After that, toggle it on to enable Storage Sense on your PC. In the next step, click on Storage Sense to open the detailed configuration options. From there, click on the Run Storage Sense dropdown and choose how frequently you want it to run. Every day, every week, every month, or during low free disk space. Once done, scroll down to the Temporary Files section and make sure Delete Temporary Files that my apps are not using is toggled on. Following this, adjust the Recycle Bin cleanup setting to automatically empty files that have been in the recycle bin for a certain number of days. From here, do the same for the Downloads folder cleanup if you want Storage Sense to automatically remove files from your Downloads folder that have not been opened for a set period. At this stage, once all your preferences are set, scroll up and click on Run Storage Sense Now to trigger an immediate cleanup without waiting for the next scheduled run. After this, wait for Storage Sense to finish and check how much space was freed up on your PC. Keep in mind, Storage Sense only cleans up temporary and redundant files, so it will never delete your personal documents, photos, or important files without your permission. Finally, go back to Storage Settings and confirm Storage Sense is toggled on and scheduled to run according to your preferred frequency. And that's it. If this guide helped you turn on Storage Sense on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.